Welcome to Pyramidikal. In this episode, we're going to delve into the problem of people watching a YouTube video and then believing the Earth is flat after watching that YouTube video. Now, I don't want to hold up Tim Heidecker as any type of perfect example, because he most definitely is not. I've met the guy about 7 times, and he has his flaws. But he's a pretty funny guy. He's pretty funny on stage. I'd say he's a lot funnier on stage than perhaps here or there, but he tweeted something that really resonated with me. Not sure why you would watch late night talk shows when there's about 100 flat earth videos on YouTube. He's making light of the millions upon millions upon millions upon millions of flat earth propaganda videos on YouTube. Tim Heidecker has probably watched a good number of flat earth videos for comedic reasons. It probably gives him inspiration on what next to make a joke about, because it's a very funny subject. 3,000 years ago, cavemen believed the earth was flat. In 1492, Columbus didn't just sail the ocean blue. He knew that the earth was a sphere. Christopher Columbus had a small sphere theory because he didn't know North America and South America existed. He was trying to find a quick route to the Chinese and Indian spices and silks that he could bring back to his kingdom and receive glory and fame and riches for finding that secret route to India and China. And of course, he bumped into Columbia, which is why they named Columbia after Columbus. And of course, Amerigo Vespucci bumped into America, which is why they named America after Amerigo Vespucci. But both Amerigo and Columbus knew for a fact, as any worthy seaman has known for thousands of years, that the Earth is a sphere. They couldn't navigate it properly by the stars and by all of their navigational tools if the Earth wasn't a sphere. But this video is a re-upload because some people can't take criticism. And this is not a reaction channel, so I'm not a professional reactor. Apparently you need some type of degree in how to react to other people's videos. But I will carefully choose people with thicker skin that can more easily take the fact that they posted something on the internet and someone made a response to it. Oh my gosh, the end of the world is not here, but the end of the flat earth world is nigh, because the earth is not flat. Here are the best segments of that video. This is a re-upload. I thank you for watching. Why does the flat earth click for some people and not for others? You know, I can tell you exactly the reason that is the case. It doesn't click for people that can reasonably understand the information and knowledge out there that has been accumulated over the past many thousands and thousands of years. Millennia upon millennia of humans doing the research, finding the proof, getting the video, getting the photographs that the Earth is most definitely a sphere. Now, the other hand are those that know the Earth is flat. They know, based on primal knowledge, instincts, something, and I don't know. They just feel it in their bones. It's a bone-chilling feeling, and they just know. But those people are rejecting all of the evidence, all of the information. All scientists worldwide, I would classify the total and absolute rejection of cold hard evidence, cold hard facts, as something close to a mental illness would be my closest estimation of why people of a certain small amount of people reject the fact that NASA, the Chinese Space Agency, the Japanese Space Agency, the Russian Space Agency, every space agency in the world, even before those space agencies were conceived, every geologist worldwide, every astronomer worldwide, every mathematician worldwide, the scientists worldwide, collectively, worldwide, came to the conclusion, independently, based on science, math, geology, astronomy, everything, led to the fact that the Earth is a sphere. Flat earthers reject astronomy. They reject geology. They reject mathematics. They reject science. And they watch a YouTube video, and then they magically become one of the few chosen ones that have a bone-chilling feeling, and they just know. Oh my gosh, I should have known all along. Of course the Earth is flat. Every horizon I've ever seen was perfectly flat. It's totally logical. It makes total sense. I mean, oh my gosh. I see. I feel. I know. The Earth is flat. Oh my gosh. Why was I chosen? I'm a special chosen person to have this secret knowledge. Not too many people know. Why not? Why doesn't it click with everyone else? You know, it doesn't click with people that are intelligent, people that accept knowledge and information, that there is no agenda behind. You've been told many years that we didn't land on the moon. Therefore, you've been skeptical ever since then of anything that has come from NASA. The conspiracy would be so large that every race and every religion, every creed, every nation would have to be in on the conspiracy. But on top of that, I've already independently confirmed that the Earth is a sphere for myself. When you look at the sunset setting every day, if you take a photograph every single day, you'll notice something. The Earth sets in a different location every single day. The reason that is because the Earth, the spherical Earth, has a wobble. It wobbles. That model of the flat Earth is totally destroyed by the wobbling spherical Earth. And don't tell me the Earth is the shape of a pear, the shape of this, the shape of that. It's a sphere, all right? Pluto is a sphere. Mars is a sphere. The gas giants are spheres because gravity naturally collapses great amounts of matter and mass into a sphere naturally. Gravity exists. The stars you're looking up at in the sky are not some light bright show. They're real. They are suns that are many trillions of miles away. And with that, I'm going to leave you with the words of the moon. This is what the moon said, but I'll leave you with the words of the moon. This has been John Razimus with Pyramidikal. Be seeing you.
Spherical Moon here, and I'm here to let you know something. I'm a spherical object, and you're standing on a spherical object, and that spherical object is the planet Earth. It's 100% spherical. I can see it as clearly as you can see that I'm spherical. Your planet's spherical as well. If you're standing on me, you see a spherical Earth in the sky. If you're standing on Earth during the right time of day, you'll see me, a spherical moon in the sky. The Sun is a spherical object too, and the other planets, Venus, Mercury, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Pluto. Some say Pluto's not a planet, but it's perfectly spherical, proving it is a planet. Did I forget Neptune? The Earth is a sphere. And that is the word of the moon. Can't deny the moon's word. Moon's always right. Good night.